Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring what you already do, not guessing. Keep a simple log for 7 days of bedtime, wake time, naps, caffeine, and screen use. This gives you the baseline. Choose a realistic wake time target within 30 minutes of your current rhythm so you can shift without shock. Once chosen, prepare the bedroom. Make it dark, aim for 67 degrees F, and remove screens 60 minutes before bed. These changes change the signals your brain uses to sleep. Now you implement the controlled shift. Move your bedtime and wake time by 15-30 minutes every 2-3 nights until you hit the target. Small steps prevent rebound insomnia. Once awake, get 20-30 minutes of bright light within 30 minutes, ideally outdoors, because light resets the circadian clock. Make sure to avoid heavy meals, alcohol, and intense exercise within 2-3 hours of bed since they fragment sleep. Stick with this routine for at least 2 weeks to consolidate the new pattern. To finish, stabilize the change by keeping a fixed wake time every day, including weekends. Limit naps to 20 minutes. Build a 20-30 minute wind-down ritual, reading, relaxation breathing, or gentle stretching to cue sleepiness. If you hit a plateau, troubleshoot. Reduce evening light, avoid screens, and consider a short-term melatonin dose of 0.1 mg 1 hour before bed. Use this only for a few nights while you reinforce the routine. If problems persist, consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.